In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the storage size of your Google Drive up to 1 TB. Google Drive is an incredibly useful tool for storing documents, photos, and videos in the cloud, but its basic free offering comes with limitations. To make the most of Google Drive's storage potential, you might find that you need to upgrade its capacity when working with large files or extensive data. So, let's walk through the steps to expand your Google Drive storage to accommodate all your needs. First, we start by opening your web browser and heading over to Google Search. Enter the query, how to increase the storage size of Google Drive up to 1 TB. This search should bring up a host of related resources and articles. Select the link that provides a detailed explanation on how you can enhance your Google storage capabilities. This is your go-to source for finding current storage plans offered by Google, including their prices and specific features. Once you've identified the appropriate storage plan for your needs, click on the official Google link that directs you to Google Drive storage plans. These are also called Google One plans, and they offer a range of options to suit different storage requirements, all the way up to 1 TB and beyond. After landing on the Google One page, carefully review the available plans. You'll see multiple options, starting from a modest increase to a significant storage boost. Whichever plan you choose depends primarily on your exact needs and budget considerations. For today's demonstration, since we're focusing on 1 TB, that's the plan we're going to select. Click on the plan that offers 1 TB of storage. You'll then be prompted to sign in to your Google account if you aren't already. This step is crucial to ensure that the new storage capacity is tied to the correct account. If you're already signed into multiple accounts, be sure that you're upgrading the right one to avoid any mix-ups. Once you've confirmed your account details, continue by following the prompts to proceed to payment. Google will guide you through the checkout process. Options generally include using a credit card or any other payment method linked to your Google account. This step is usually straightforward, but make sure to double-check your selected plan and payment information before finalizing the transaction. After completing the payment, Google will confirm your purchase, and your new storage capacity should be active almost immediately, reflecting the increased limit on your Google Drive account. You can verify this by going back to your Google Drive and checking the storage information at the bottom left corner of the screen. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully upgraded your Google Drive storage to 1 TB. You'll now have ample space to store all your important files, ensuring seamless access from any device connected to your Google account. As you continue to use Google Drive, remember that upgrading your storage further is always an option if your needs grow. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out other videos for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your digital tools.